This is Saudi registration, huh?
Yeah.
Come back soon.
Alright, bye-bye. Take care.
What are the charges?
All
Mesh intercom on.
charger is there on the bike.
Open mesh. Channel 8.
Hello, hello. Okay, all good. Let's go. 855 kilometers. Left. Right from the roundabout. Straight. Hey guys, good morning. So today is the last episode of this ride. We're just leaving from Dubai and heading towards Saudi border, which is the Batta border, and then onward to Bahrain. Planning to do this leg in one go because it's only around 850 kilometers. So it's around 6:15 in the morning, and we just left from Rinda's place, and hopefully we'll reach Bahrain by, I don't know, 6 in the evening, if everything is okay and the weather is good. Right now the weather is really cold, and I hope we can continue this temperature at least till the Saudi border, and I guess once we hit the desert it's gonna be a better climate. Tada, 95.
Cash card.
कैश है मेरे पास, उसका भी टुगेदर. इधर कॉफ़ी मिलेगा?
हाँ मिलेगा. Starbucks.
ओके.
Goodbye.
Oh, this looks nice. Only 500 fills. I want it. Cheese hot dog wrap. Halloumi turkey wrap. Can we have 2 cappuccino small? One cheese croissant.
Oh no, give me one hot dog cheese jumbo.
I have to finish all the UAE dirhams.
Sir, 44.75. ABS application, sir.
Alright guys, so this is our last route. We left from Dubai, and we're gonna take this E11 highway, passing through, not exactly entering Abu Dhabi, outside of Abu Dhabi, then all the way to Batta border, which is right here, and then we'll rejoin this highway which we took in the beginning, and all the way back to Bahrain. We will not enter Abu Dhabi. We'll only go from the outskirts. Are we in Abu Dhabi now? Oh yeah, we are in Abu Dhabi. Welcome to Abu Dhabi, guys. Even though we are still on the outskirts. Once we crossed Abu Dhabi, the wind started blowing faster and the sand started to rise, and before we knew it, it was a full-blown sandstorm all the way to Bahrain.
Psychology in a different way to look at it all. 'Cause my perspective is broken.
As we were struggling with the crosswind and the tiny sharp sand particles blasting our bike and our little exposed skin, my mind started to think, why am I doing this? Why take all this pain and struggle to ride a motorcycle? Why not just ride my bike in my own city after looking at the weather app?
But I'm so tired.
But then I thought about the amazing people we met in this journey. People who don't know us yet wished for our good, looked at us with a smiling face and always ready to help.
Yeah, I'm lost, but I'm living. Yeah, I'm lost. Can I be forgiven?
Such encounters make me think how good the world is and how confidently we can travel far outside our comfort zone. We just finished lunch and now we have 390 kilometers to reach Jufair in Bahrain, and the weather still haven't changed. It's still pretty windy and dusty. You can see it's all dust everywhere. My phone, the GPS, everything is dusty. And the dust is also getting into my helmet. It's true that traveling is not about reaching from point A to point B, but it's the route that lies between these 2 points that makes it memorable. And doing it in a motorcycle has a different sense of freedom to it. After 11 hours, we finally reached back to Bahrain. Back to where it all started. I hope you guys like this series. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future.